Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and just a quick one today. First time I've picked up a pick in 3 days. Been busy doing the boxes for the Pin Makers of the World Unite, and they're all done now. I'll stick a picture up at the end for anybody who's interested. So I just thought I'd just do a quick one today, and this is a bright purple 7240 ABUS, and it doesn't matter what I do with the lighting, it always looks blue on the camera, but I can assure you it is bright purple. But we'll give it a go. If I show you the key, it's bitting on, it's quite nice, quite awkward to get to, up the back there, and it all works just as it should. So let's get the vise in here, make sure it's all locked up still. Well, I'll sort out the light a little bit, see how that works. Try a bit of different lighting today. So let's have a go in here and see what we can find. So one is binding, and we've got a little click and a little turn on the core. 2, a little click. 3, 4, counter rotation, and a click. 5, counter rotation, and we've got a click, and that was 6. Oh, we're actually open. That was a bit simpler than I thought. Let's have a look inside it anyway, seeing as we've gone this far. Drop that there. Still definitely looks blue, but I can assure you it is purple. It's a very nice purple as well. Right, let's have a look inside here. There is the core, single piece core. And we have a clip on the back. So what I'm going to do is lock this up, because I want to turn it the other way when I gut it. And get the clip off. Oh, nice cooperative clip as well. Can't be bad. Right, we turn this anti-clockwise, so we've got that at the top. Grab the follower, and through we go. So there we go, we have all 6. All 6 populated, and all needed picking. So we have a standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, 4, 5 and 6. And let's have a look up top. One is standard. Two is a spool. Three is a spool. Four is a spool. It springs out the way. Five is another spool. And six is another small spool. So fairly stock ABUS stuff. But they are quite nice sharp spools. Just pick this up and give you a close up. For focus. There we go, all standards on the bottom, all spools on the top apart from number 1. So there we go, a nice purple, even though it looks blue. ABUS 7240. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put the photo of the boxes up afterwards. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you again soon. Bye.